Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am going to be making this cute little candy piece. This is great decor for the Halloween season. Also, you can make it into an ornament and give it as little gifts to kids. If you'd like to make multiple in different colors, then you can make a little candy dish as well. For this project, you will need your base color yarn. You can use any color that you would like. I'm going to use this pinky purple color, as well as white yarn. And the yarn that I'm using is medium worsted weight yarn, and I am using a 4mm crochet hook with it. You will also need something to cut with, a stitch marker if you would like, a sewing needle, and some fiber fill stuffing. If you like what you see here today, please consider liking and subscribing. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. And if you would like to learn how to crochet amigurumi from the very beginning, I have a full course linked in the description below. So let's get started. To begin your candy piece, you are going to grab your base color yarn and your crochet hook, and you are going to make a slip knot. Or if you'd like to do a magic circle, you can do it that way as well. Place it on your hook, chain 2, and starting in the second chain from the hook, you are going to single crochet 6 into that stitch. And then you're going to pull that tight, and you are going to increase the whole way around, so you're going to do 6 increases. And this is usually where I like to insert my stitch marker if you are going to be using one, just to keep track of where you are in your project. For this next round, we are going to single crochet, increase 6 times, so that's the whole way around. Now you are going to single crochet 2, increase 1, 6 times, so the whole way around. Now you are going to single crochet around for 4 rounds. After you finish your 4 rows of single crochets, we are going to start our decreasing rows. So you're going to single crochet 2, decrease 1, 6 times, so that's the whole way around. And I am using invisible decreases just so that your work is a little bit cleaner. Now you are going to take your fiber fill stuffing and stuff your work. And after you have stuffed your work, you are going to single crochet 1, decrease 1 the whole way around. And now you are going to decrease 6 times. Now you're going to fasten off, so go ahead and pull out just a little bit of yarn, cut it, and pull that out. So we are going to weave that piece of yarn in through the front loops only of these 6 stitches. And then you are going to pull that closed, and that should close up that hole there. And I like to just weave it in and make a little knot just to make sure that it doesn't come undone. Then you're going to cut that tail off, and you're going to tuck in this little tail here. And there is the first part of your candy. Next we are going to make the 2 wrappers on the side. Go ahead and grab your base color again, and you are going to make another slip knot. And you will be making 2 of these, so I will show you the first one and then you can make the second one. So you can do 2 chains or your magic circle, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, and single crochet 6 into that circle. And pull that tight, and we are going to increase the whole way around. So we're going to increase 6 times. Now we're going to single crochet 1, increase 1 6 times. Now you're going to do a slip stitch into the next stitch and fasten off. And you don't have to leave a long tail for sewing because we are just going to tuck this tail in. So next you are going to take your white yarn and you are going to fold that in half and insert your crochet hook into both sides. We're going to grab our white yarn and pull that through, and then pull that through again. Go ahead and pull that tight. Turn your work, and we're going to go through both sides and single crochet the whole way across. And now you're going to slip stitch, cut that tail, pull it tight, and then you are going to tuck in these two tails into this right here. Now that you have both sides made, you are going to attach them to the top and the bottom of the larger piece that you just made. So I am going to sew them on using this yarn, but you can also use some fabric glue if you aren't that comfortable with sewing just yet. And there's your little piece of candy. You can repeat this pattern and make it in multiple colors and make a whole candy dish and have them setting in there. It's really cute decor, not only for the fall Halloween season, but for all year round. So I hope that you found this tutorial easy to follow, and if you make this little piece of candy or you make a whole candy dish, tag me in your creations on social media.